This city is a sensory overload in the best way possible, with vibrant colors, intoxicating scents, and the constant hum of activity that never seems to stop. The Medina is a mesmerizing maze of ancient red walls, wild markets, and non-stop energy. Lose yourself among the labyrinthine alleys, where the air is thick with the aroma of spices and the sound of bargaining fills your ears. Here, every turn reveals something unexpected: hidden courtyards, artisan workshops, and the laughter of locals. Jama' el Fna is a living theater, day and night. By day, snake charmers and orange juice vendors compete for your attention. By night, the square transforms into a festival of lights, music, and sizzling street food, drawing crowds from every corner of the world. Fez is the wise old soul of Morocco, home to the world's oldest university and a Medina where getting lost isn't just possible, it's practically a rite of passage. The city's ancient walls hold centuries of stories waiting for you to discover them. Wander through ancient tanneries, peer down into the colorful dye pits, and squeeze through narrow alleys that twist and turn like a living puzzle. In Fez, you'll feel as if you've stepped back in time, surrounded by traditions that have endured for generations. Casablanca is Morocco's modern face, cosmopolitan, bustling, and always on the move. Here, the stunning Hassan II Mosque rises dramatically above the